Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about forex trading. How can we trade forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Well, today we are going to review our new expert advisor, that is FEB. FEB, it's Forex Euro Blaster. This is specifically for Euro USD, as we got a tremendous success with BRPREA earlier. And this expert advisor, Forex EU Blaster, that is specifically for Euro USD and is based out on grid trading. It is not a traditional grid trading, but yes, it uses grid and it uses it very effectively. This is specifically for Euro USD, but we can trade with any currency pair with this expert advisor. Okay, so let's start from here. So the minimum requirement to trade with this expert advisor is 1000. Ideally, if you want to keep the drawdown a little lower or something, then you can trade with 1200 to 1500 for default 0.01 lot size. Okay, so let's go from here. So we started it on 15th of April, and today is 24th of May. So it's almost around 6 weeks. Okay, so in 6 weeks, as you can also focus on the lot size has been pretty lower, and we saw many ups and downs in Euro USD and all the forex market in these 6 weeks, right? So it worked very well. Actually, we tested it earlier, and now we are trading with, and just to share the results, a few of the results. Okay, so with a deposit of 1000, we made 166.03 in 6 weeks. And if you would like to see the running trades, these are the running trades right now. These all are the running trades. Okay, and if you would like to see the MyFX book of this particular expert advisor, then please hold on for a second, please. Okay, so here is it. Okay, so this is grid trading. CRPH is somewhat, I made it short, okay, because Forex Euro Blaster is a big name and we have limited words. Okay, so here is the result, and based on this, so the maximum drawdown that has been in past 6 weeks is 9.43%, and the monthly so far has been 12.57%, and the daily has been 0.39%. Okay, so it is the growth graph, this is the balance graph, this is the profit graph, and this is the drawdown graph. Okay, and this is what all the statistics are. Profit factor is pretty good, 2.88%, and you can see all the analysis over here. Okay, and in April we made how much? 8.71%. In May we made 7.26% so far. Okay, so it's still 1 week left. Okay, so the overall it is here. On April 15th we started, the mid of the month, and today is 24th, right? Today is 20, it is not showing of 24, okay, maybe, but it's okay. So this is what the result is. In case if you are interested in this expert advisor, or if you have any question, then feel free to contact me. I will put the link of this expert advisor, I mean the MyFX book link of this expert advisor in the video itself, so you can explore it, analyze it. In case if you have any interest, you can contact me via email or Telegram. I have mentioned both the contact details in the video description. So look forward to talk to you, and I wish you all the very best, and have a nice weekend. Take care.